Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm just gonna play with some makeup and tie up my hair so it doesn't get in my face. See this? Yeah, I cut my hair a few days ago and this is what happens if you cut your own hair. So, okay, let me stop. So I did get the Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream. This little mini thing right here. Comes with this little, I guess like a sealer to protect it from falling out or anything. So what I normally do is, because there are some cream stuck on this, I'm just gonna jump it over here. So it's gone. And then a little teensy. This is the Flawless something. I'll link it down below. It's pretty useful. It's like kind of like massages your face, supposedly for contour, but I don't know. Hold on. Ow. Ah. I was having cramps yesterday and didn't want to get up. So I literally stayed in bed all day. Fresh Sugar Lip Caramel, this is what I always use. I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild Dewy Skin. What shade is this? Soft beige. Okay. So what I like to do with these, oh my god, did it spill out? What I like to do is just take this and then like drive it along my face, along my chin. Next, I'm gonna get some FENTY concealer. This is in 145. Just like a little teensy bit. That's it. This is the NYX Wonder Stick in light medium. I mean, I think because I use a very little bit of foundation, that's why it's like see-through and everything, but it's buildable coverage, hydrates and smooths, complex for a luminous finish. So I don't really use a lot, I guess. That's why it's like, but it's still cute. So next, I'm gonna do my brows. And for my brows today, I'm not gonna go into my pomade because I'm lazy. I'm just gonna use my brow waves from Anastasia. Normally, I don't really conceal around my brows, but I will today. So right here, I'm gonna use the Painterly Paint Pot from MAC and just prime my lids. Next, I'm gonna use the Gimme Butterflies palette from ColourPop. And I'm gonna take this color right here called Woke, and I'm just gonna put it at the end of my eyes. Spreading it out from, well, the hood of my eyes actually. Next, I'm gonna use the color Glider. And I'm just gonna start pulling that out as of like a wing. It's a really pretty color.
Next, just take a clear fluffy brush and blend out the edges so you don't have any harsh lines. Next, I'm using the Stila Ballot Baby. I'm just gonna apply it on my lids. Oh my god, look at that color. I'm gonna use a brush so I could even it out on my lids so it's not a whole chunk in one place. I'm having the glider color right under my eye, just to blend it out and smoke it a little bit. Next, I'm taking the liner from ColourPop. It's the one in black. I'm gonna link that down below. Next, I'm taking the Shiseido eye curler and then just gonna curl my lashes.
So I'm gonna try out this new LANCôME mascara, Monsieur Beige. Supposedly up to 24 hours wear. I need that effect.
Next, I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, the trio, and I'm just gonna go into all three colors. This is called the Pink Passion. And I like to dab it almost like everywhere on my face, you know, because a little blush doesn't hurt. Next, I'm taking the Dior lipstick. This is in number 642. And I don't normally outline my lips, so I just go for it. So next I'm gonna take the Super Shock Shadow from ColourPop. This is called Frog, and this is actually an eyeshadow, but I'm still just gonna apply it because it has no base color. It's pretty much like just sparkles. I'm just gonna do that and use this as my highlighter under the brow and some on the cheeks too.
is my final look. So this is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for staying tuned, and I'll see you guys in another video. Oh my god, my hair.